Hey gang, my message today is that Macs can get adware. Okay, several years ago, I switched to Mac because of the speed and that kind of thing. And it was really cool that people would say, oh, you can't get a virus on a Mac, you can't get adware on Mac, it just doesn't happen. Well, today, I was trying to do some retouching from the wedding and from some of the other things that I've been doing for this last week or so. And it was crazy. My computer was so slow. I mean, it's been slow for months. And I'm not kidding when I say months with an S. Months. It's been ridiculously slow. So I've been trying all kinds of things. I did some searches. I found some stuff about how to speed up your Photoshop. I was about to post that on the Pro Forum as the top 10 ways to speed up your Photoshop. Some of them seemed to work just a little bit, but nothing was working. I mean, I completely opened up my Mac. I pulled out all my hard drives. I put all my memory sticks. I pulled out the processor. I blew everything off. I vacuumed all the dust out. I plugged everything back together. I mean, it was just unbelievable. It's unbelievable how slow my Mac has been happening. And primarily it showed up inside Photoshop when I would use the healing brush. So I just started Googling this question. I started Googling all kinds of stuff, and I came across this obscure, crazy, out there, backwoods website that said you could have adware and a virus and all that on your Mac. And I thought, no. Macs don't get that. Okay? They do. I did the search. I did the what they said to do. I had like a dozen things on my Mac. This is the Mac at the studio, not the laptop. You know how you get these things? That's a heck of a good question, but I had it. And it was on the Mac, and the Mac can get it. So in the post below, I'm going to put the link for you to run this free adware, software thing that I found a ton of stuff on my Mac. Got it all off, and oh my goodness. Y'all gonna think I'm making this up. Like, it took me all day to retouch a dozen images. I would click, and I'd wait. And for you guys out there who know me, you know how crazy that is for me. It drives me completely bananas. In the time frame that the adware thing was doing the searching and stuff, it was like 5 minutes. I retouched a dozen images, well over a dozen images. So I did more in 5 minutes today than I did all day long. So again, message for the day, check out your Mac. It's vulnerable. It happens. Thank you. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.